In this 1-minute Power BI video we will learn how to make tree maps. We will make a tree maps like this from scratch. Step 1. Select the tree map icon from the visualization pane, drag the icon to the report canvas. Expand the visual by clicking at the edge and then dragging it. Step 2. Select country, then drag and drop country to category field, select revenue, then drag and drop revenue to category field under country data. Select product, then drag and drop product to details. Select sales, then drag and drop sales to values. Step 3. Now we will drill down the visual. To display country and revenue, select the icon for expand all down one level in the hierarchy level down. Step 4. We will not format the data labels. Go to format your visual, click on data labels, values, and then increase the font size, make the text bold, change the color if required. Next, click on category labels, values, and then increase the font size, make the text bold, change the color if required. In this visual, the square box with largest area will show the country has maximum number of sales, as we have our sales data in the values field. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and check out other 1-minute Power BI videos.